welcome back. How y'all doing? I missed y'all so much. First and foremost, before we get into the video, if this is your first time here, hello, welcome to you. I am Bree, and I'm happy that you stopped by. Now, on your way out, if you could please hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it to be notified whenever I make a new video. Like this video, comment on this video, and also share it. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. A1 Day Ones, you returned and you came back and you're here and you support. Thank you. Welcome back to you. Hey guys and gals, how y'all doing? So today, you guys, my girl Ness, okay, we were talking, texting, me, her, Tia, and she came up, well, she's doing a collab with someone, and she's doing keto egg foo young, right? As soon as she said it, my mouth started watering, so I started looking up the macros of different Chinese restaurants around, and I found one, egg foo young, 11 net carbs for what I have. I also have a duck leg. This is one of those rare occurrences where I don't have my coldest water bottle, but it's all good, and I don't have no water in this cup either, girl. I have Diet Pepsi. So in the bag, okay, the egg foo young, I think that's not egg foo young. There's the egg foo young. So I got egg foo young and a duck leg. I hope it is not too bright and washing out, y'all. Okay, 1 second. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, y'all, I'm back and it's not as bright, so this should do us a little more justice. So like I said, Diet Pepsi. Got this from 7-Eleven. Egg foo young. Okay, yeah. Egg foo young. This is kind of like the St. Paul sandwiches, if you guys have heard of those. It's still steaming. But it has gravy. And it looks like this. It's egg, like an egg patty with a gravy. And you're supposed to eat this over white rice. So they did give me a container of white rice. That's how you're supposed to eat it. But that ain't how I'm gonna eat it. And I also have a duck leg. Ooh, look at it, you guys. I love duck. Ooh, I love duck. That is what that looks like. Looks like a chicken leg, but it's duck. And it's in like a juice with onions. And I probably should have bought something to eat this off of. So I messed up. That I did, but cutting board is here. That is going to be our plate today. So let's get ourselves all situated. I got a half order. Look at how it's coming out. It looks weird, y'all, but I swear it's so good. Ooh. Mmm. That is so good. So two comes with an order. That one's still whole. It's supposed to be circular. What shape did I just hold up a heart? I ain't got no type of sense. So that's that there. We're going to dig in. I'm going to pray first. And we're going to eat. Because I'm hungry. Amen. And excuse Peppa Pig. I know you probably heard that with the pausing of the prayer. But my son is watching that. He's living his life. So we're just going to go ahead and dig in, y'all. Let me get the thumbnail. Okay, this is what it looks like up close. I don't have it to where it's gonna focus, so excuse that. But it's eggs and onion and chicken in this, and bean sprouts. That's good. How y'all been though? I hope all is well. So yes, you all, Tia, Nessa, and myself are talking, y'all, and we all embark on the keto journey, ketogenic lifestyle. Okay, so we were just talking, you know, and just kind of bonding as sisters because we all can relate to what each other is going through, being content creators on this. Get it together. being content creators on this platform. Yes, girl. We can relate to one another. And y'all, it is so hard to try and do these challenges and follow these trends and keep bringing that fire content to y'all and stay relevant and keep our audience drawn in. So we had talked about that. And then we had spoke, if you don't know who Beast Mode is, he's a pretty big channel here in the mukbang community. And he made a video addressing why he was going to stop doing mukbangs due to health issues. And I often thought to myself, not him, but just a lot of people in general, like, a lot of people eat large amounts of food. Might not be on a diet, might not exercise, work out, and might not be, small or healthy. And I was like, when I started my channel, I wasn't keto for the first couple of months. I was still figuring it all out. So it took me about 5 months to officially completely transition over. And it was such a big, difference. And I'm like, people might not watch my content because I don't eat these big burgers and these large bowls of noodles and fries. Now, don't get me wrong. I have been on my channel. There have been several occasions, maybe for celebratory reasons or a cheat day or whatever, I may have veered off. But on my channel, I'm trying to make it more strictly, legit keto. Those cheat days, I don't know if I'll have them, or I don't know if I'll have them on camera. I don't want to steer anyone the wrong way, or someone who may come to watch me for the first time to be confused, as to what I'm doing. So 2020, I'm going to try my best to really keep it keto. I want to get in the gym. I want you all to come along on the journey with that too. I want to embrace and uplift and support people who want to try and transition from eating how they normally eat. Come on over and be a little more keto, low carb. So I wasn't, happy about the news that Beast Mode said, but I'm like, it may take a bigger platform like that for people to really hear, what it is that our channels and things are about. Because some people don't get it. Some people don't subscribe to us because of that reason. I'm like, if I have to pick my health or this platform, it's going to be my health. Y'all have called me 10 years ago, I'd have been outside, burgers fried, but look at me, girl. We're not small framed over here. So I've been doing something throughout my entire life to get this size. And right now I feel like I'm at a point in my life where I want to try and get it together. I want to try and lose more weight. I want to improve my health. Thank God. No health issues or anything like that. And I want more people to feel comfortable with coming out, saying that they want to, make this type of lifestyle change, if that's what it is that they want to do. And whoa, he's going to come down through the ceiling. Ridiculous. I haven't had a soda in so long that even this diet will make me feel like I'm cheating. When something is too good to be true, it probably isn't good. Look, that tastes like a regular Pepsi. And I told Hubs when he went in to put that stove, girl. He asked me what I wanted, and I said Diet Coke. But Diet Pepsi would do. But this tastes a little regular. But it's all good. So shout out to Ness and my girl Tia. Y'all love them so much. Shout out to Ness. Sis just met B Love. They both live in Ohio, so I was like, ooh, maybe one day they'll meet. And it happened. They eat some good food over there too. So if you're unfamiliar, they are Ketolicious Ness and Taste Them with Tia. I'm gonna eventually get together one day and not waste nothing on me, on the floor, in my hand, in the sky, up high, down low, high go, I'm almost done with that. I love when this duck juice is nice and hot. Remind me of chicken noodle soup. Go in. I love these onions. I'm an onion fanatic. That's delicious. I like to get mine and like dip it all in that juice. Y'all can't see it. Should have got another angle. I don't even know where my camera is. Like you get it like that. Get some onion. And get some juice. Now this is like the equivalent to duck and noodles, if you all are familiar with that from Chinese restaurants. They add noodles to it and way more broth, but this leg by itself, I love. There is 0 carbs in this. And we went and tried out a new place today. I'm glad we did. This is bomb. Oh man. That's all that gravy that would have been sopped up with some rice. Y'all have truly been gone from YouTube for quite a while. But I've been dealing with my mom. And she just had surgery like 2 or 3 days ago. And everything went well. It's really where I've been. I haven't really been posting, but I've still tried to be active and visit you all's YouTube and Instagram and all that. That was really good. Got a little juice left. Watch, I can't even show y'all without spilling it. I'm sure I can. That did the job. Yes, it did. Oh boy. I don't know if I said in the beginning if this was going to be a kind of short mukbang. Excuse me. I don't burp on usually. The carbonated drink, it does that. I ought to do that no burping challenge with some freaking ice water or something like that. Sparkling water. But yeah, y'all. I had to come down here real quick because we got things that we're doing. But I gotta make time for my booze because I love you. It's like you loves me. I know, right? Hey. So if you made it to the end, of course you are the real MVP. I love you so much. Special place in my heart forever. I need y'all to be easy out here in these streets until the next time you and I meet again. You got it? Good. I love you. Bye.